Hey people, welcome to my channel. My name is Larissa and today we're decorating my front door for Christmas. And I did all this with basically everything that I already had here at home. I have a mess on the porch. I brought everything up that was Christmas related because I still don't know what to do. I don't even know where I want to do it. So I'm really considering decorating my front door that is inside the porch and not my actual front door because it's so damn freaking cold. I know I want to use the bow that I made last year. It's just a little, squish. The way I'm thinking though, something like this. Now, do we like here? The only thing is that we don't have much height. Not much different than out there though. But at least out here, people will see it. I think I'm just gonna suck it up and I'm gonna put it out here. But before anything, I'm gonna clean this because it's nasty. And that's just another reason why I didn't wanna do it out here, but that's okay. We gotta do what we gotta do. So I did. And it was then finally time for the best part. Decorating. I've used those hooks before, so I already have the hole. I just need to screw it in and it's ready to go. I put 3 of them and then I can just place the chicken wire there. For the bow, I'm using those gigantic zip ties because I had them here, but I could also use the wire that I used to make the bow. Whatever you have on hand. The big zip ties doesn't go through the chicken wire, so I'm using those mini ones to attach it to the chicken wire. The right side of the bow, I'm just using safety pin so that I can pass the zip tie through and just attach it to the chicken wire. Now the left side is looking a little sad, so I'm using those commands that are like Velcro and I can place the zip tie right in between them. I have a couple of those garland from a while ago. Now they are not really full, so I'm gonna put them but add just other pieces of greenery to make them look a little fuller. I'm attaching it to those hooks that I screwed in earlier, and then wherever I don't have those, I'm just using normal ornament hooks. I have this wreath from last year. I might use it. I'll just place it there. This is the bowl. The moment it's going on. I'm gonna use this bowl that I used on my last year decorations. Just using a little ornament hook. I have a bunch of bowls from last year. I just made, a bunch of different sizes of bowls. I have mini ones, I have bigger ones, and I'm just gonna use ornament hooks right behind it. And I'm gonna place them all over this side. I like it, but I don't think this side is overwhelming enough. I might come in with some ornaments and I will probably remove at least one of those trees. What do we think? I'm gonna remove those because I feel like it might be a little much. Gonna add a couple balls. I feel like that side needs more, more. I loved all 3. Now I have a little pack of mini. I have this pack of mini ones. So I think if I just throw them in there on their own, it might look nice. lastly, I'm gonna add those. They come like this, but if you fluff it, they get like this. And it's the effect that I want, because I want it kind of like 3D-ish. See? It's kind of poking out. One pack comes with 3. And it's super cheap. To match the vibe, I think I'm gonna add some of these to this. Might be too much, but nothing for Christmas is too much. Right.
Excuse me, can I help you?
No. What do we think? Do we add the red or not? Red or no red? I kind of like, for some reason. Somewhere. Yeah. Last year I got this on clearance, 90% off. It's basically a sign that says Merry. Merry, Merry Christmas. I feel like it could work. Could just stay there. Right? I like it. Let's see.